How to lock items in Terraria inventory. So first is open up your inventory and find the specific item you want to protect from now on. So what you want to do is favorite it. So this action locks it from being quick trash or accidentally auto move during any future inventory management sessions. So to do that, click Alt on your keyboard. But first hover to the item and you will see your cursor, but if you hold Alt or click on Alt, you will see this star button. That just basically means you're currently holding the hotkey for the favorite button, and if you click on left click on your mouse, it will automatically lock that item that you've just marked as favorite. What this does is even if you quick trash it, nothing happens. So let's say this mushroom, if I used my control left click, it will automatically put it into trash. But if I lock it or mark it as my favorite item, when I use control left click, nothing happens. Even the cursor doesn't change since I've currently locked that particular item. But once it's favorited, you can still organize the rest of your inventory freely, or you could even still move it as you like, just like that. So as you can see, when I use the sort inventory, everything moves except the ones right here that are locked. And also a quick tip, favoriting doesn't just prevent trashing an item, it also actively stops you from accidentally selling that same item to an NPC vendor by mistake. It's a simple habit that saves your best gear from vanishing during a chaotic cleanup session. And that's how you basically lock items in Terraria inventory.